Hi, my name is Larissa Cunningham, and I'm an Evolve 365 Learning Strategist with Planet Technologies. In celebration of our Evolve 365 10th birthday, we're sharing some of our favorite tips and tricks to help you work smarter and make the most out of your Microsoft 365 experience. So today's tip is going to be how to create a Copilot notebook to customize the resources and instructions that it uses for any of those individual chats. To start off, we are going to be in our web browser at m365.cloud.microsoft, and we're going to be looking along this left-hand navigation at our Copilot chat options. So underneath some of those, you should see a choice for notebooks. It might look a little different on your screen than mine, but if we expand this section, we'll see some of our recent notebooks, or you can select all notebooks to open up this area. From here, we can create new notebooks, name them, and add our specific resources. So for this example, I'll open one I've created for my Mark 8 project. In here, if I scroll down, you'll see the different references I've pulled in to help create some of that initial context for Copilot. And if I jump over to the Chats tab, any of my specific chats in this area will use those resources. And if you want to take it up a notch, you can even add some custom instructions here. So right underneath your notebook title, you should see this option to edit your Copilot instructions, and you can add additional context for your project, give specifics on how to utilize language and tone, and any additional details that might be important for Copilot to understand with this project moving forward. So when you're happy with those instructions, go ahead and hit save, and it will use them every time you chat in this notebook area. And if we take a look at this example, you'll see it pulled in some of those instructions you caught a glimpse of, including things like putting a call to action was one of my elements in here. So hopefully this gets you started on some of those more in-depth projects to focus Copilot in for you. These settings and your notebook references can make a huge difference in the efficiency you find with Copilot and the different projects you're working on. So thank you so much for celebrating and learning with us. For any additional information, visit our website at go-planet.com/evolve365. And don't forget to like, share, and join us next time for another quick tip.